Cast your bread upon the waves, let it go and trust His ways. Give a portion, hold not tight. You don't know what will come to light. For storms may rise and blessings fall, but God is sovereign over all. Clouds will pour when they are full. Trees will fall where winds may pull. You can't command the shifting air, or trace the life God forms with care. So plant your seed from dawn to dusk. His hidden work is wise and just. So sow in the morning light, and sow again when fades the night. You don't know which seed will grow, or what the Lord intends to show. But walk by faith, not by sight. So in the morning light, light is sweet upon the face. Years are precious, filled with grace. Yet many days bring shadowed skies. Remember all before you die. For darkness comes to every land, but joy is still the Lord's command. So sow in the morning light, and sow again when fades the night. You don't know which seed will grow, or what the Lord intends to show. But walk by faith, not by sight. Rejoice, O youth, in all your days. Walk the paths your heart displays, but know the Lord will judge it all. Each rise, each step, each stumble, fall. So cast off sorrow, flee from sin. For youth and dawn are fleeting things. So in the morning light, and so again when fades the night. You don't know which seed will grow, what the Lord intends to show. Rejoice in youth, remember Him, the one who holds your every breath. Walk by faith, not by sight. So in the morning light, cast your bread upon the waves, let it go and trust His ways. Give a portion, hold not tight. You don't know what will come to light. For storms may rise and blessings fall, but God is sovereign over all.